Hi, this is Katara with BlueNotary, and today I'm going to show you how you can enable white labeling for your BlueNotary account. Now, this is available if you're a Notary Pro member, and it allows you to really showcase your brand to your clients when you want to bring them to notary sessions on BlueNotary. So here I'm in my Manage tab of my BlueNotary account. And what I'm going to do is scroll down to white label. So I'm going to click this and I'm going to toggle on enable white label for your account. Now here I have some information I need to enter. I need to enter my company name, but I'm just going to put my name as Katara Notary. Now, if I have a tagline like a slogan that I want to use, I can add it. So I'll put fast, quick notarizations. Now here I have the option to add a logo if I desire. So I'm going to choose a logo that I made for myself. And there it is, it pops up. Now, as I scroll down a bit more, I want to enable email sent from white labeling. This means that when I send an invitation for a notary session to my signer, it will look like it's coming from my personal or business email address. So I'm going to toggle this on. Now, my email address automatically pops up. So I'm going to press verify because this is the email that I want to use. Now, a verification email will be sent to my email, so I need to go to my inbox to check it. Let's see. Okay, and it's from Amazon Web Services. And so I want to click this URL to prove that I am the verified email address holder. So I'm going to click this link. Now I successfully verified my email address. So I'm going to go back to my BlueNotary platform. And I'm going to press check verification. And my email was verified successfully. So now my emails will now be sent from this address. And I'm going to press Save White Label Settings. And my settings were saved successfully. Now, I think I'd like to test and see how this works for me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a sample session and send it to myself and see how that looks. So I'm going to go to New Session. I'm going to go to Create a Remote Online Notarization Session. And I'm going to upload a test document from my desktop. So I'm going to use this test document. And I'm going to put test email. So I'm going to put Katara test. And I'm going to put a test email.
You're good.
And so I'm going to leave all the rest of this here. And I'm going to notarize now. And I'm going to invoice the client on my own. And I'm going to send the invitation. So I want to see how my email looks when I get the invitation.
Hi, my name's Ty, jumping in here. We got Katura to send me this email instead, so that's kind of how I'm suddenly appearing in this video. But as you can see, we've got her business brand name right here, Katura Notary Public, and her logo as part of this email. And all I need to do to enter the session is going to click Get Started. One more point of note on the email itself. If you click on where it was sent from, you can see that this was sent from Katura's email. So whatever email you entered in on the previous white label settings page is going to be what your signers see as where this email is sent from. further personalizing their signer experience to you and strengthening your branding. Now, from here, you're going to be seeing your own branding or white labeling show up 3 more times during the session itself. So the first time you're going to see it is when you're joining as a signer. The first time your signer is going to see it is when you are joining the session. It's going to be in the top left of the screen. You can see right up here. She's got her logo again. So I can see that this is the notary's brand. I can see that this is Katura Notary, the notary public. So I'm going to click join the session. All right, once more, you're going to see within the session itself that her logo remains right here. And this is going to be there throughout the duration of the session. So whatever your logo and your branding, be it your company, your personal brand, whatever you prefer, it's going to be up there in the top left-hand corner throughout the whole entire session. So I'm just doing some biometrics. We're going to speed through this next part, going through the session itself. And then you're going to see one more piece of this white labeling / branding. So bear with me while we go through this here. Okay, so we've sped through and we are now completing the session here. All right, we can see our session was completed by the notary. All right, and we can see on our completion page here, you can see in the top left-hand corner that your logo is going to be presented once more for the 3rd time here as part of your new white labeling / branding feature. It's a great tool for building out brand awareness for you or your brand and to helping to grow your online notarization business. I hope this video was helpful. Please follow along, like, and subscribe. We've got plenty more useful information on online notarization on the way.